Manam Koti Paravai. Article. Talk. Language. Download PDF. Watch. Edit. Manam Koti Paravai, Transel. The Heart's Woodpecker is a 2012 Indian Tamil language romantic comedy film written and directed by S. Easel. The film stars Sivakarthikeyan and Athmeya, while Ravi Maria, Ilavarasu, and Suri, and Singam Puli play supporting roles. The music is composed by D. Iman, 1, with cinematography by Suraj Nallusamy and editing by Gopi Krishna. The film opened to moderate reviews from critics, 2, but it was the first commercial hit in Sivakarthikeyan's career. Citation needed. The film was remade in Kannada as Anjada Gandu, 2014, and in Telugu as Vinivaya Ramaya, 2015. 3. Manam Koti Paravai. Poster. Directed Bs. Ejil written Bs. Ejil produced Byambat Kumar. Ranjeev Menon. S. Ejil starring Sivakarthikeyan. Athmeya cinematography Suraj Nallusamy directed by Gopi Krishna music BYD. Iman. Production. Company. Olympia Movies. Release date. The 1st of June 2012. Count Triangular Tamil. Plot. Edit. Kannan is a carefree youth who assists his father Ramaya in his construction business and spends time with his friends. He is in love with his neighbor Revati, whose father and uncles are the most dreaded goons in the village. They are both childhood friends. Kannan gets a shocker when he decides to reveal his love to Revati. Her family has arranged her a marriage with an influential man. To avoid the arranged marriage, Kannan's friends from Mumbai kidnap Revati. However, in a complete twist, Revati declares she has no romantic interest in Kannan and at first says he is just a friend, but she later reveals that she loves Kannan too, so much so that if others knew it, it would be a problem to him and prove to be a risk to his life. Meanwhile, the bride-to-be's family searches frantically to find their girl. They get hold of Kannan and his friends. Revati and Kannan are separated. After 2 years, Kannan returns from Oman after having worked as a site engineer there, to meet his love. He meets her with avidity, and they talk for a while when she asks him to leave immediately for fear that her father would harm him. Kannan, still a passionate lover, asks Revati if they could marry, now that she is not married to anybody else. Revati's father barges in unexpectedly and asks Kannan to leave the house, but with Revati. Cast. Edit. Sivakarthikeyan as Kannan Ramaya. Athmeya as Revati. Ravi Maria as Natraj, Revati's brother. Ilavarasu as Ramaya. Suri as Nalla Thambi. Singam Puli as Modu Mutti. Srinath as Nayar. Adukalam Narain as Revati's father. Venera Adai Murthy as Nayar's grandfather. Vanita Krishnachandran as Tirumati Ramaya. Sugunthan as landlord. Charms as Das, Kannan's friend. M. R. Kishore Kumar as Radha, Kannan's friend. Sampath Rama as Mathur Narayanan, Revati's proposed groom. Jay Kumar, Ambarasan. Supergood Subramani is tea master. Production. Edit. Producer Ambat Kumar and Ranjeev Menon are friends of director Easel. When they asked him how the shooting of Manam Koti Paravai was proceeding, he made them listen to the songs tuned by D. Iman. Impressed, they decided to produce it. 4. It was initially expected that Yuvan Shankar Raja, whom Easel had worked with in his previous release Deepavali, would compose the music, but as the budget of this film could not afford to have Yuvan as the music composer, Easel opted for D. Iman. After one of the lead roles in Marina and an important role in the recently released 3, Sivakarthikeyan is taking up a full-fledged lead role for Manam Koti Paravai. The film, which is set in a village, has been shot at Easel's native place Kayatha, near Mailaduthurai, erstwhile Mayavaram, and Sivakarthikeyan's Tiruvishimizhalai. 5. Soundtrack. Edit. Manam Koti Paravai soundtrack. Album by D. Iman. Released the 12th of April 2012. Recorded 2012 genre film soundtrack Label Universal Music produced. Iman Chronology Maharaja. 2011 Manam Koti Paravai. 2012 Satai. 2012. The music of Manam Koti Paravai was scored by D. Iman in his first collaboration with both Easel and Sivakarthikeyan. The soundtrack was released on the 12th of April 2012, 6, which features 8 tracks with lyrics written by Yuga Bharati. Universal Music is back in the Tamil market after a 30-year hiatus with Manam Koti Paravai. A critic from Milliblog said, Manam Koti Paravai's soundtrack surpasses anything that composer Iman has produced so far, including his most famous soundtrack, Maina. The tunes and music he puts together here demonstrate a maturity not seen in the composer's work so far and makes for fantastic listen. 7. No title zinger, S. Length 1. Jal 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 Osai, Alap Raju, Surmukhi Raman 04, 472. Po Po Po, Javed Ali 04, 493. Dang Dang, Sisharan, S. Malavika 04, 254. Yena Solla, Vijay Prakash, Chinmayi 04, 265. Urana Urukulla, Santosh Hariharan 04, 186. Po Po Po, Karaoke, D. Iman 04, 497. Jal 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 Usai, Karaoke, D. Iman 04, 458. Dang Dang, Karaoke, D. Iman 422. Critical reception. Edit. A critic from The Hindu said, MKP is a comedy, it turns serious, and when you're settled down for the drama, matters turn ludicrous. Consistency in treatment is a casualty. 8. Sifi said, on the whole the film fails to deliver. 9. The Times of India gave the film 2.5 out of 5 and said, Easel seems to have tried to do a Kalivani here, but those familiar with his repertoire will realize he is more comfortable with melodrama. 10th. The New Indian Express said the film was a romantic comedy low on humor. 11. References. Edit. Carrot, Manam Koti Paravai. Chennai, India, Hindu. Retrieved the 24th of February 2012. Carrot, Manam Koti Paravai Review. Sifi. Archived from the original on the 17th of September 2013. Retrieved the 22nd of November 2012. Carrot, Movie Review, Anjada Gandu. Carrot, Manam Koti Paravai. The Hindu. Chennai, India. The 14th of April 2012. Carrot, Manam Koti Paravai, shot in 2 villages. Noraning.com. The 16th of May 2012. Archived from the original on the 2nd of March 2014. Retrieved the 18th of August 2012. Carrot, Manam Koti Paravai audio unveiled. Deccan Chronicle. Archived from the original on the 13th of April 2012. Retrieved the 14th of April 2012. Carrot Karthik, the 16th of April 2012. Manam Koti Paravai, Music Review, Tamil, D. Iman by Miliblog. Itoofs. Retrieved the 18th of August 2012. Carrot Rangarajan, Malati, the 2nd of June 2012. Missing the Bus. The Hindu. Chennai, India. Carrot, Movie Review, Manam Koti Paravai. Sifi. Archived from the original on the 17th of September 2013. Retrieved the 18th of August 2012. Carrot, Manam Koti Paravai. The Times of India. The 11th of May 2016. Retrieved the 13th of June 2020. Carrot, The New Indian Express. The 2nd of June 2012. Retrieved the 13th of June 2020. Wiki loves folklore. Photograph your local culture. Help Wikipedia and win. Participate now. Help with translations. Atmeya Rajan. Article. Talk. Language. Download PDF. Watch. Edit. Atmeya Rajan is an Indian actress who works predominantly in Malayalam and Tamil language films. Atmeya Rajan. Born. Atmeya Rajan. Kannur, Kerala, India. Other Namesatmi occupation actress years active 2009 present spouse. Sanoop K. Nambiar. M. 2021. 1. Personal life. Edit. Atmeya was born in Kannur, Kerala. She completed her graduation in nursing from Sri Devi College of Nursing, Mangalore.